Can you sit up again? Can you sit up, Miss Emma? Good girl! Almost. Here, let me help you. There you go. Can you stay up? Oh, no, we want to eat our feet. Good job. Sit up. Would you like some more assistance? No, you got it. Here you go.